Within Business Central, there's an idea of categories and subcategories that are used to drive your reporting, your out-of-the-box reporting. So I'm going to start with just actually running a simple balance sheet. I'm going to come here and I'm just going, let me pull a date to make sure I have data. I'm just going to go ahead and preview it on the screen. So here we can see that we have cash, AR, prepaid expenses, and inventory. Okay. So let's just take a mental note of that. So now when I go to my chart of accounts, I'm going to see a couple of things here. So I'm going to see my subcategory here. So here, if you can remember the report that we just looked at. So we saw cash, accounts receivable, prepaid expenses, and inventory. Okay, so what this is doing is the subcategory, whatever it says here in the subcategory is what is shown on the rows on your out-of-the-box balance sheets and income statements and any other out-of-the-box report that you are running. So here, it's pulling all three of our cash accounts, it's pulling our one AR account, and it's pulling our two prepaid expenses. So what is going to happen is when you go and let's say we open another bank account, when we go to create that new account, as long as we have this subcategory as cash, it's going to pull the report. So you don't have to go in and edit your reports every single time you add an account. Okay, so I'm actually going to take a quick look here and actually show you the list of RGL account categories. Now this is where you would go to add or subtract or maybe update it. So when you first go and create these, because these you can name them whatever you'd like. And over here, it's going to tell you what accounts are associated with that. And let's say something like after you first make them, you can actually update it to make sure that the accounts all pull. So when we go here, we can hit process and generate account schedules. And when you do that, it's going to kind of do a refresh. And it's going to make sure that all of the accounts are pulled here are proper. And then they then go on to your account schedules to automatically pull. So you can see here, these are our cash accounts. We have 10,100 through 10,300 and 11,111. So again, I'm going to go ahead and go to my finance chart of accounts. And you can see here, I have these three accounts and then one all the way down here that I missed when I was originally showing you. So you can see that all three of these are being pulled onto your accounts. And then they're also therefore being pulled on to your out-of-the-box reports without having to edit each report every time you add or subtract an account.